Welcome to Own Product Picks, your destination for smart home reviews, time-saving tech, and the best gadgets of the year. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mops in 2025, perfect for anyone looking to keep their floors spotless without lifting a finger. These smart cleaning machines combine powerful suction with advanced mopping features, giving you a true 2-in-1 solution for hassle-free home cleaning. From app controls to self-emptying bases, we've got the most innovative and efficient models on the market. So whether you have pets, hardwood floors, carpets, or messy kids, there's a robot vacuum and mop here for you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into the smartest cleaning companions of 2025. Number 5. Noesis Florio 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Noesis Florio 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo brings powerful and intelligent cleaning to modern homes. With advanced LiDAR navigation and real-time mapping, it smoothly navigates around furniture, avoiding obstacles while ensuring every inch of your floor is covered. Its vacuuming capability features strong suction power that easily picks up dirt, pet hair, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. The mopping function adds another layer of cleanliness, using a smart water control system to prevent overwetting and ensure streak-free results. What really sets the Noesis Florio apart is its app integration and smart home compatibility. Through the companion app, users can schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and customize cleaning modes with ease. Voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant adds to the convenience. With a sleek design and impressive battery life, this robot cleaner offers great value for anyone looking to automate their floor cleaning routine efficiently and effectively. Number 4. Dyson 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum is a powerful, intelligent cleaning machine that takes robotic vacuuming to the next level. With its unique 360-degree vision system, it maps your home in detail and methodically navigates every corner for a thorough clean. Unlike many circular robots, its D-shape allows it to get right into edges and corners, where dust often hides. Powered by Dyson's hyperdymium motor and advanced suction technology, it easily picks up fine dust, pet hair, and larger debris on both carpets and hard floors. Plus, the companion app gives you full control with room mapping, no-go zones, and scheduling, perfect for hands-free cleaning. What truly sets the Dyson 360 Vis Nav apart is its intelligent obstacle detection and adaptive suction power. It automatically adjusts to different floor types and uses sensors to avoid furniture, tight spaces, and drops. The bin is easy to empty, and the washable HEPA filter captures allergens and expels cleaner air, making it ideal for allergy-prone households. Though it's on the premium side price-wise, the build quality, powerful performance, and smart features make it a top contender for anyone looking to invest in a high-end robot vacuum in 2025. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL RV2502AE. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL RV2502AE brings impressive cleaning power and advanced navigation to your home. With its self-emptying base, it offers up to 60 days of hands-free operation, perfect for busy households. The vacuum uses LiDAR-based mapping technology for precise navigation and room-by-room cleaning, while its powerful suction effectively handles dirt, pet hair, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. Plus, it's smart enough to avoid objects and recognize no-go zones, making it one of the most intelligent options in its class. What really sets this model apart is its seamless smart home integration. The Shark AI Ultra works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, and you can customize cleaning schedules through the easy-to-use Shark Clean app. It's also ideal for pet owners thanks to its HEPA filtration and self-cleaning brush roll, which minimizes hair wrap. Overall, the RV2502AE delivers premium features, powerful performance, and long-term convenience, making it a top pick for anyone looking to automate their floor cleaning routine. Number 2. Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max. The Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max is a sleek and ultra-slim robot vacuum designed for powerful yet quiet cleaning. With 2,000 pascals of suction power, it effectively picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair from hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. Its Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction when needed, and the low-profile design allows it to clean under furniture with ease. Users will appreciate the simple remote control operation and the quiet motor that runs at a volume no louder than a microwave. What really stands out is the RoboVac 11S Max's efficient navigation and long battery life, delivering up to 100 minutes of consistent cleaning on a single charge. While it lacks advanced mapping or smart home connectivity like Wi-Fi or voice control, it makes up for it with reliable performance and excellent build quality. For those looking for a dependable, affordable robot vacuum without the bells and whistles, the Eufy 11S Max is a top contender in its class. Number 1. Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Q Revo is a powerful all-in-one cleaning machine designed for hands-free floor maintenance. It features both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, making it ideal for homes with mixed surfaces. With its dual spinning mop pads, strong 5,500 Pascal suction power, and LiDAR navigation, the Q Revo navigates efficiently around furniture, cleans edges well, and tackles tough dirt with ease. The built-in auto mop lifting feature ensures carpets stay dry while hard floors get a proper scrub, offering a smart and seamless cleaning experience. What really sets the Q Revo apart is its fully automated dock system. The dock not only charges the unit but also washes and dries the mop pads, empties the dust bin, and refills the water tank, making it nearly maintenance-free. Its companion app allows for customized cleaning schedules, no-go zones, and real-time mapping. Whether you're a busy homeowner or simply want to cut down on daily chores, the Roborock Q Revo offers excellent value and convenience in the premium robot vacuum market. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.